We're at Lowe's, and creative minds are at work. Starting with the Saba kay madunggan pug ka. The publisher and editor-in-chief, Ami Badiola, Montecillo Badiola, kay gibiyada sa sembana kay di niya gamito na kabusaw. In fairness. Kanang nakita niyo siyang ulo. Ano yun?
Nagsalita siya.
Nagsalita siya, no? Oo, di ba? Yan. Ami, nahihugaw si mong ulo. Murag headband. Murag siya headband. This is our president and CEO. Okay. Oh, sa to. Oh. Ha? Oh, kabalo. Oh. So, kasi may tanaw. Fairness, murag work. Jammer, the head of the creative group. Since he is creative, Perez Hilton ay ang gibasa mga chismis. And those are the creative minds at work. Si Ami, sige mo.
Ano sa man? Ako?
Sige mo. Sige mo.
Suki ko?
Sige mo mo.
Ah, okay. I'm chatting with my brothers. One's swimming, one Dumaguete. So, this is it. They're still awake.
Hi. And I'm.
And you are.
I'm not doing anything. By the way, this is my favorite movie. All-time favorite, Awakenings. Very life-affirming. This is John's favorite. Taste na nasa mahalukan. Fresh for me, friend. And si Jammer, ano balita Jammer? Fairness, di-exit na niya ang Perez Hilton. And these are the people in my neighborhood. In my neighborhood. Wow, John, oh. Hi, John. Would you like to say something about yourself?
What can you say about this is not a beauty pageant?
No, I'd like to know lang if maybe somebody will get to watch this video and, you know, interested to know you. Ako na lang maghatag sa number niya. Jammer, ay di pwede si Jammer. Ami, say something about yourself.
Hi,
Are you
my name is Ami. I'm
single or married?
What? It's complicated.
It's complicated. Friendster. And then?
What?
What
so
else?
I'm not awake. I'm
Virgin?
half asleep.
Are you half empty or half full?
I'm half full.
Yeah, half full. Look at the
Always
body.
half
It's
full.
always half full.
Because I am full of love.
Char. Kasi tawag ka ng body up ka ng ano.
I am apple
Voluptuous?
Yeah.
Apple siya, isaba. Pag-upo na to ang mga kuan, description.
Curvaceous.
Curvaceous.
Yeah, voluptuous.
In the wrong places.
I would be a very good model for the 16th century painters.
Yeah. Kung naalang tato sa 16th century.
Monet.
Unfortunately. What else?
Yeah.
Are you still a
I'm very
virgin?
happy with my body.
Are you still a
And I think
virgin?
that's the more important thing.
Because you have nothing can do. You can do nothing about it.
Yeah.
Right now. So
Secret.
far, but you'll never know. Kapit na Pasko, therefore, mas full pag na siya.
As in.
Di na half full. Nanay